What's good, all my SGMers, all my still getting money people out there? And before you watch this video, become part of the SGM family by subscribing, like, share, and comment, and hit that bell button below so you be notified first. And shout out to the SGM notification gang. I see you holding me down in them comments. Gang gang. Like I said, before you watch this video, don't forget to add me on the social media platforms. Add me on Instagram. It's going to be right here. Right on the bottom of the screen. It's going to be right there. Let me see if I'm getting the camera right here. It's going to be right here. Add me on that Instagram. And also add me on that Snapchat. That will be right here also. So let's get into this video real quick. Let me put in my password. So we get into this video. It's about an app called, and also a website. You can do this on a computer too. You know what I mean? You don't have to just do it on your phone, but it's more easier to do it on your computer. I mean, on your phone. So it's called Slice the Pie. So let's get into it. As you can see right now, oh, they just logged me out. They just logged me out. Alright, so we in Slice the Pie, as you can see right now. Like I said, you could do music. You could do phone reviews. Let me swipe to the side. And you can do music also. And you can do fashion, as you can see right there. I'm just gonna do the I'm gonna do the mobile. They send me an email, they was paying more. They don't pay that much per per review, but it's better than nothing. Like I said, you bored one day, you just wanna do it, just to do it, like I said. So let me give you an example right now. Alright, so there's it's a phone case right here. You gotta write a review. You see this gray line right here? This gray line right here, it's gonna turn orange as you start typing. I'm gonna give you an example. I'm just gonna type anything. Type anything. As you can see the orange line growing right there. You have to get the orange line all the way to the end, right? So that means you have to type something about the case or whatnot. I'm gonna type something up, but you can't just type anything and be on some illiterate stuff. You gotta like type like, all right, the case is clear, yada yada yada. Then press a point. You know what I mean? Space it like that. Like it's probably gonna be like a 2-3 word, not 2-3 word, like 4 sentences by the time you get all the way to the end. I'm gonna pause the video. I'm gonna write something up. So I only got one hand, and I'm gonna give you an example right now. Okay, I'm back. As you can see right here, the orange line is filled up all the way to. Once it's filled up all the way to, the keys are gonna start turning orange. As you can see, they're a little bit orangey right there. That means you're good. That's about 4 sentences, 3 sentences and a half. Like I said, so then you go down here, you press next. So now you just rate it to what you think what the case was. You think it was good quality, bad quality, whatever it is, you think how it looked. I'm just gonna rate it a 7. 7, you press next up top. Then you put from what range you think it costs. From I say $31 to I say $37. Done. You press done up top. Now it's loading, it's gonna pay you. So that one just paid me 21 cents. I'm just giving you an example. Like I said, it's gonna show me another one now. I could keep going. Like I said, you could do mobile, you could do music, you know what I'm saying? Or you could do fashion. Like with music, like I said, plays the music for like I think 60 seconds, 30 seconds. I forgot which one it was. And then you write the review of the song. Same way I show you an example for the mobile, for the phone cases. The same thing with fashion. They're gonna show you clothes. And you do that, the same thing. But like I said, I'm not gonna make this video too long. As you can see, my balance is $10.32. So I'm just gonna do a quick cash out just to show you they pay. So press make withdrawal right there. So it's asking me how much I want to withdraw. So my current balance is $10.32. So the minimum balance has to be $10 anyway. So I'm gonna put $10, as you can see. Put $10 and withdraw. I have to confirm my birthday or whatever. I don't know why, but I gotta confirm it. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Give me 1 second. Like I only got one hand, so I'm gonna do that real quick with one hand. All right, so make a withdrawal right here. Are you sure you want to make a withdrawal of $10? Yep, sure do. Letting it lower right there. So now you see the payment is gone. So it should be in my PayPal. I'm going to go check my email real quick to see if it's in my email. Let me go check it. That's the first thing they do. They send a transaction ID. So let's let this load up to see if it's in my PayPal. I could just go on my PayPal and check it, but I like to get the email proof that they sent it and then go on my PayPal. That's my routine, so I stick to it. If not, I just go straight to the PayPal. So, like I said, as that loading up, let me try one more time, refreshing it. So as you can see, the payment came in right there. Slice the pie withdrawal right there. So let me click on it right there. All right, so they go to $10 payment by Slice the Pie. As you can see, they go to transaction ID, January 9th. You know, I always click it, show y'all it's today's date. It's the main day. Hold on, let me close all this out. As you can see, January 9th, 2018. So let me go right in my back of my phone. As you can see, the $10 is right there. So let's make it official. You already know how I do it if you've been following me for a while. If you've been subscribed to the channel for a while, let's go to our PayPal right here. At PayPeasy. You know, it's going to want to borrow my finger. So you can see from long distance that, you know, this ain't no... Hold on. Let me cancel that. I don't know why it's asking me for my password. I haven't done that in a while. Let me do that once again. Man, it's loading up right there. It's going to open up so you can see, you know, Photoshop. Like I said, I got plenty of proof on my page. So, like I said, if y'all been subscribing to me for a while, y'all already know what it is. You know what I mean? But for all you newbies, y'all gonna see what it is right now. Cha-ching! And there it is. As you can see, the payment right there, January 9th, $10 from Slice the Pie. Like I said, the link will be in the description below. So like I said, definitely click it and just get on your grind. And everything else, like I said, even the Doge app that I showed y'all yesterday, even though this is not a Doge video, get on that, man. Today's the offer started back on the 7th all the way to the 21st. Like I said, get on it, man. Like I said, $15 unlimited all day. Not just once, as many times as you grind. But like I said, this is not about that. This is about Slice the Pie right here. The link will be in the description below. As you can see, the payment was received January 9th. $10 right there. I just want to show you that it pays out. So, like I said, something you do, you bored or whatever. Like I said, it's free money at the end of the day. You know what I mean? I could do it. I could go get something to eat with it, put some gas, whatever I want to do. You know what I'm saying? I decided to do it, but that I can't afford with that at the end of the day. Like I said, I just want to show you that it pays. You know what I'm saying? Because that's what I do. But anyways, the link will be in the description below. And the SgmCashoutKing is signing out. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe, become part of the SGM fam, become part of the SGM fam, become part of the SGM fam.